Here is a inflator. I'm going to use it for a demo here for my car tire with the device there. Has extra nozzles as well. Has a USB charging device. The charger just plugs into the battery right there. I fully charged it and have it ready. There's my tire valve. I'm going to take the device here with the lever horizontal, slip it on here. I close it. That locks my valve. I come back here. I hit the power button. Reads the power. I'm at 31. I have my target set for 35. I could increase that if I wanted to, but my tire pressure should be 35. I hit the power. There we go. And then I pull the trigger. Hear it as well. I'm already at 35. I'll just come up here, release my valve, and there I have 35 pounds of pressure in my tire. What I really like about this is it's so convenient, so easy to carry out, easy to adjust your target. I like how everything's clearly indicated. The screen is a nice LCD screen, and it feels good. It, is not an inconvenience at all. I don't have to plug it into a cigarette lighter and have my car doors open and trying to reach around, things like that. So it has 12 volts of power with the lithium battery, and the pump seems really strong in there, and you heard it running. It sounds great. Works great. It even looks good. And as I said too, when you're done, what's convenient, once I remove the battery here, everything goes into its compartment here. I'll take a picture and show you.